Hi, I'm Brandon Drager. I'm CMO of Cornelis Networks, and I'm here with our CEO, Lisa Spellman. We're at ISC 2026 here in Hamburg, Germany. Lisa, a lot of exciting news this week. So a lot of great things to talk about. We've had two really exciting system announcements this week. What are your thoughts on Links and TAC, what we're doing there?
Well, it's been a big week. We flew all the way to Germany to make sure to announce a couple of new system introductions that we had, and it's a big milestone for the company. It's great to be here celebrating with the community, of course. Our Links announcement is we've been working with them for multiple years to continue to optimize their applications, especially for the NNSA, and to deliver the highest performance and best utilization of their compute. So having this newest installment that we've done with them, it's over 900 endpoints, so 900 CPUs combined together. It landed on the top 500, and it went into acceptance and was just announced. So a big milestone for the company, a big milestone for the Department of Energy, Lawrence Livermore National Labs, and just overall a great partnership.
Fantastic, yeah. Yeah, and national security workloads doesn't get more mission critical than that, so it's I think a huge endorsement for our customers, and reaching this point and being able to run some of the most critical workloads at that kind of scale.
Yeah, they're a pretty rigorous customer.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah, they definitely run stuff through its paces.
More than one or two tests. Yeah.
Yes,
so
exactly.
It's great. And then, and then we also had a great announcement as well with TAC and their CMP3 expansion.
That one we just announced this week as well. Very exciting for us. This one was over 600 endpoints, and the cool thing about TAC, they have over 5,000 users. So talk about really needing to perform, not just at scale, but needing to perform for any type of workload that could land on the system, and you don't know. So you don't get to do optimized tuning for one thing, make sure it's just right. You better be ready to handle all of it. And so that's a great testament for us as well. So I joked about, the Department of Energy putting us through our paces. TAC puts us through some very different paces where they bring it on, and we have the opportunity to respond to that. So that was a great partnership, a lot of really strong technical collaboration, and we're delighted to have that into acceptance and in full production for those 5,000 plus users.
Yeah, that's amazing. So everything from national security to natural sciences. I think we're safe to say that CN5000 is ready for pretty much anything any of our customers can throw at it.
Yeah, whatever you can throw at it. The fun one from TAC is as the users are starting to spend more and more time on it, they're starting to see some cool performance results too. So when we did the Fabric upgrade, they're seeing levels up to 70% higher performance. And again, that's using the same compute and just changing the network. And I don't think everyone thinks about it in terms that a network change without a compute change can deliver that type of performance upgrade. So that was kind of a fun one to show people.
Yeah, so I think it's really a great proof point that we're moving kind of past this point where everyone's being really focused on compute constraint, and now it's about how do we return more of that stranded processing and utilization back to researchers, more science per dollar, faster time to science and innovation. So,
Brandon,
really good point.
We're in Hamburg. It's more science per euro.
More science per euro.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, come on.
Yes. So, Lisa, we've also had a lot of great news with some really great partners as well this week. We had an announcement with XFusion and also a company I'm semi-familiar with, Next Silicon. So, what are your thoughts on those announcements of those partners?
Yeah. We've set it as a goal for the last year of the company to expand our partner network, and I just see this as continued proof points of living into that commitment to our customers, commitment to the ecosystem and the journey. So for XFusion, it's an opportunity to be validated in even more servers, which is just totally foundational to our ethos of providing choice.
Right.
And so having XFusion covering the European market it's great for us, and again, it's great for customers. It allows them to look and put together and find the system that's going to be the most responsive for their application and their users. So excited about that one. The Next Silicon side is really cool as well. I've made the joke before, two Davids going against a Goliath here at times. So you take some really exciting acceleration for HPC workloads in the Maverick 2 product that Next Silicon has. You take the CN5000, our network, put them together, drive a reference architecture, carry it forward into our further roadmaps on both companies. And I am looking forward to working with customers, showing what that can do when you take some really focused, performant compute silicon, put it with the highest performance networking, and I think we're going to dazzle a few people.
I think we are too, and yeah, and to your point, yeah, being able to really enable more of our channel partners and expand our reach into these new markets has been really great, and I think it's a real differentiator for Cornelis. So a lot of other vendors out there might be prioritizing other larger hyperscalers, but we're really trying to enable those channels across enterprises as well.
Yep.
And yeah, and the next silicon news I think is really exciting. Next Silicon's focusing on addressing kind of the memory bottleneck of traditional CPU and GPU architectures. We're addressing, like you said, the kind of the core bottlenecks of the network, and it's just two great tastes that taste great together. And really excited about getting that to our customers and letting them see what we can accomplish with that. So Lisa, we've had a lot of really great news this week with CN5000 and key installments and acceptances at some large national labs. Great partner news. So we've also been talking a lot more about our next generation product that's coming out very shortly, the CN6000. What are your thoughts on how have customers been responding to that so far this week?
It's been a pretty exciting couple of weeks for the company. We covered a lot of it already, but the CN6000 is our next generation product line, and we're moving to 800 gigs in our Super NIC. And it also represents a pretty significant transformation for us because we're going to be offering both our native OmniPath architecture, which is known for the extreme low latency, really high message rates, and just impressive bandwidth ramps. But we're building on top of that and with it to Ethernet and Ultra Ethernet as well. So this gives our customers the opportunity to take that foundational architecture that was built for these workloads and start to use some of those features and capabilities on top of an Ethernet protocol. And why I said it's been exciting for us over the last 2 weeks is because we're actually in testing now. We've got our silicon back. I don't go anywhere without it. Like, if you know me, you know that I always have a chip or two in my pocket or in my purse. I'm not kidding. And I was just at our data centers and our labs for Bring Up. It's so much excitement and momentum. The team is totally fired up. So I actually took one with me. Don't tell them. So I brought that with me, and I've had it in my pocket all week, and I'm showing it off to customers. But it's a great execution milestone for us. We brought the 5000 to market on our first pass A0 silicon, and we're looking to delight the customers with this 800 gig version coming this year.
No, for sure. Yeah, really, hitting our stride with CN5000, really fast follow-up cadence with next generation roadmap. It's time to market with PCI Gen 6. So lots of excitement and building on a great foundation of capabilities of the OmniPath architecture, embracing more and more open standards as we move towards that goal of embracing Ultra Ethernet standards. So really exciting to see the progress there.
Looking forward to continuing the conversation with the community. And you know what? I think we're going to see a lot of you at SC in Chicago in a few months.
Looking forward to it. Thanks everybody for joining us today. We appreciate the time, and we'll see you soon.